Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing essentials: a charged unit, a compatible micro SD card, and a clean windshield. Do it now. Insert the micro SD card and snap the dash cam into its mount. You'll hear a click. Turn the vehicle on to power the camera and follow the on-screen prompts to set language, date, and time. This ensures accurate timestamps. Once done, enable parking mode only if you have constant power, because it uses low current draw when the car is off. Now fine-tune how the camera records and where it looks. You want the road center slightly below frame center to capture license plates. Reduce dashboard and windshield reflections by angling the mount. Set resolution to 1080p for clear footage. Choose loop segments, 1, 3, or 5 minutes, and adjust G-sensor sensitivity so collisions lock files automatically. Then enable Wi-Fi and pair with the mobile app. This lets you preview live, download clips, and install firmware updates quickly, which keeps Finish by practicing normal use. Start recording automatically when driving, manually save important clips, and review events in the app to confirm proper capture. Backup crucial videos to your phone or PC and format the micro SD card monthly to avoid file corruption. Consider replacing the card every 12 to 24 months. If the dash cam won't power on, first check the 12V outlet and fuse, then reseat the mount and try a different, known good micro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.